Hey guys, I'm about to record this. Yeah, I just woke up. It's like 7:45 in the morning. I'm about to record this grocery haul. Whew. Alright, this is my Kroger haul. So, thing of bread. I know I'm not letting y'all see the whole house. And then beef. I got the 5-pound. This was only $20 from Kroger, which was a good price. I got a thing of sugar. This is out of sugar. I got 2 of these. These was on sale for $3 a piece, which was good. I got some of these. Yeah, my kids don't care. Okay. As you all can see, Myers brand, they don't care. I've always told my kids not to care about brand names, even though, I like Quaker's 5-minute grits because Lord knows I can't cook them. So I got some of those. Oh, I have some syrup in this bag as well. And I got some Cracker Barrel mix, pancake mix. So I like the fact that you can make biscuits with it as well. But that was just an added bonus. And that's it for the Kroger haul. So I'm about to put these groceries up. I got more groceries coming, and yeah.